Hey, listen up.
Go.
Today's all about rhetoric, and rhetoric is the art of persuasion. We use this a lot in commercials to sell a product. Aristotle told us that there are 3 categories of rhetoric. Number 1, ethos, ethical appeal to a spokesperson. Number 2, pathos, passionate appeal to your emotions. And number 3, logos, math and science. Start with your ethos, pathos, logos notes. Then, please go on to your product decision card. And finally, complete your commercial for products that don't exist. A mom would be a great spokesmodel for selling baby products, for example.
When?
Go.
A vet would be a good person to sell dog food. Go. Hi, Mommy.
Ethos is a good spokesperson, someone whose reputation will help you to sell a product. Pick someone that can help you. For example, you wouldn't pick a dentist to sell candy.